Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing SpringHill Suites Pigeon Forge. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are non-smoking rooms, free Wi-Fi, family rooms, free parking, facilities for disabled guests and a good fitness center. This hotel has non-smoking rooms with a private hot tub, an outdoor pool and a fitness center. It provides dry cleaning and guest laundry facilities. Dollywood is 2.3 miles away. SpringHill Suites offers air-conditioned rooms with comfortable bedding including feather pillows. In-room amenities include cable TV and a plug-in panel. Each room has a large workspace with good lighting, electrical outlets and a tea/coffee maker. There is a microwave in each guest room. Using the vending machines, guests have access to snacks and cold drinks throughout the day. Complimentary coffee and local newspapers are provided in the lobby. SpringHill Suites Pigeon Forge is less than 2 miles from Comedy Barn Theatre. Gatlinburg is a 10-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.